The U.S. Supreme Court is now deciding a case that could impact abortions in Kentucky.
WDRB's Lawrence Smith explains Attorney General Daniel Cameron's office took the case to the justices this morning. Lawrence?
The High Court is not being asked to rule on the law itself. Instead, the justices will decide whether Attorney General Cameron can legally defend the law. The General Assembly passed House Bill 454 in 2018. It essentially bans the most common type of abortion called dilation and evacuation. The Court of Appeals threw out the law in 2020 and ruled Cameron could not appeal after his predecessor, now Governor Andy Beshear, declined to continue the case. Deputy Solicitor General Matt Kuhn arguing the case before the justices.
Said it's not good enough for the state that one official gets to make all litigation decisions for the state. What we as Kentuckians want is a fail-safe that if a state official who enforces state law says, I'm not going to appeal any further, Kentucky's Attorney General can come in for the Commonwealth and say, no, the Commonwealth wants to go farther.
Associate Justice Stephen Breyer cutting right to the politics of the case.
Look, there have been a lot of party changes. First the Republicans are in, then the Democrats are in, and they have different views on an abortion statute.
But the attorney for the ACLU arguing that does not matter.
The Attorney General, it is well settled in this court, stands in the shoes of his predecessors. It is well settled that a successor in office is bound by the stipulations made by and judgments against their predecessors. It doesn't matter that there's been a political party change.
Afterwards, Cameron optimistic.
I thought they were very receptive. They asked very informed and enlightened questions, as you would expect the justices to do.
The ACLU believes it will be a close vote among the justices.
Those who are more conservative are more receptive to allowing AG Cameron, and those who fall on the more liberal side are less so. There are a couple of moderates in there that'll probably make the decision in the end.
If Cameron wins, he can take the case back to the Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals. Lawrence Smith, WDRB News.